Until recently, if someone were referencing the brand Palm, you would think of cell phones. Not anymore. Today, we're going to take a look at the Palm Buds Pro, so stick around. Until the release of the Palm Buds Pro, I would relate the brand Palm to devices such as the Palm Pilot, which was the first electronic device that I used to read books, or the Palm Trio family. Now I had the Trio 650, which was running Palm OS, and the Trio 700W, which was running Windows Mobile. I also used the Palm Pre and the Palm Pixie, both of which were still rocking physical keyboards when that was kind of going away. So when Palm was teasing what was quite obviously a set of Bluetooth earbuds, I was quite intrigued. After a bit of discussion with Palm on Twitter, they agreed to send over a demo unit. The unboxing, which you can see here, was a little rushed. We were on our way out of town to go to a Halloween-themed wedding, and I wanted to make sure I had these there for that weekend. As you can see, the case is very small and pocketable. As a matter of fact, here's the Palm phone, and the case for the Earbuds Pro hides right behind it. Now, with this pocketability, I actually put this in the same pocket that I've got my wallet and my keys. And I don't even notice they're there half the time. You've got the Palm logo right here on the front. And you've got a light here right on the front, right above the logo, that's got a charge indicator, which is very reminiscent of my Trio 700W. When the light's flashing, it's charging, and when the light goes off, it's finished. The Palm Earbuds Pro come with a variety of silicone tips and have a set on here by default. Now, I'm using the default ones, and they work a majority of the time, but more on that in a bit. Palm Earbuds Pro charges on the bottom here with USB-C, which comes in handy as literally every device I own has a USB-C charging port on it. According to Palm's website and their press release, you can get 6+ hours of straight listening time, which expands out to 24+ hours in combination with using the case. I've actually had zero issues with charging. I carry the case around with me at all times because it's a good way to store the headphones when I'm not using them. So I listen to my music, and when I'm done, I just put everything back in the case. And this works great for both around the office and in the gym. The Palm Buds Pro have a sleek and comfortable feel and fit right in your ear with ease. I'm not usually a fan of in-ear earbuds because they typically get to a point where they feel like they're going to fall out. If you saw my video on the Umidigi Earbuds U, you'd know that the earbuds always felt like they were going to fall out. That's not the case with the Palm Buds Pro. They have a good snug fit and provide almost limitless movement. The only time I've run into any issues whatsoever is when I've been in the gym after a strenuous workout and either one or the other of the earbuds starts to fall out. Like other earbuds, the Palm Buds Pro offer touch controls for most functions. A single tap on either the left or right earbud will answer incoming calls, and the same touch will end a call. Touching and holding on either bud for 1.5 seconds will decline an incoming call. Triple tapping on either earbud will activate your phone's voice assistant. Double tapping on the right earbud will skip to the next track, and the same action on the left earbud will go to the previous track. A simple tap on either earbud will pause music. So now that you know how they look, feel, and operate, how do they sound? Well, in short, they sound amazing. Thanks to their 10mm dynamic driver, the Palm Buds Pro offer crisp, clear audio and thumping bass that's not overwhelming. The Palm Buds Pro offer that rich, theater-quality sound in my ears that I look for when I'm purchasing audio equipment. Courtesy of the 6-microphone hybrid active noise cancellation system, the Palm Buds Pro offer noise cancellation unlike any other IM Bluetooth device I've ever used. This noise cancellation comes in handy when I'm in a busy grocery store or just trying to peacefully work out in our work gym. So now that you've heard about the good, let's go over the bad. Number 1, in-app control. At the time of this filming, Palm does not have a companion app to download for the Palm Buds Pro. If software and customization options are possible, there's really no way to do that now. In previous reviews, such as the Umidigi Earbuds U, I mentioned that there is a companion app and you can adjust the noise levels, the functions of the earbuds and such like that. You cannot do that currently with the Palm Buds Pro. The other downside to these earbuds is touch sensitivity. Now, the entire earbud itself is a touch control, so if I do have to make any adjustments to these while they're in my ears, it normally stops the music. This only really comes into play when I'm working out, so it's not that big of a deal because a simple tap on either the left or the right earbud will allow the music to continue. That being said, in this case, the good far outweighs the bad. At the time of this filming, the Earbuds Pro retail for $99. This is an introductory sale, and Palm plans on increasing the price to $129 very soon. I will have a non-affiliate link in the description below, so feel free to check that out. I'm not getting paid for it. I'm just doing this as a courtesy because Palm was nice enough to send me a pair of these for free. I hope you've enjoyed watching my review of the Palm Buds Pro as much as I've enjoyed filming it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And I thank you for watching and sharing this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.